Hey everyone, welcome back to Mental Activity. Today we're going to build a sleeper camper kind of thing. So the floor is 4 by 8 feet and you see the rest here. We're going to have a smoked polycarbonate roof. So let's see what we can get done today. Okay, make sure these are all squared up. We're going to cut two at a time. So our first cut is going to be this wall, and in order to keep the 8 feet, you have to cut it down the middle at this angle, and then swap ends. And so you still keep the 8 feet. Just a little trick there. Then to hide the seam, we're going to board and batt the outside. And we're going to have a little bit of cedar shingle look. Yeah, I have to use a straight edge because I don't cut about as straight of a line. Boy, that's some splintery stuff. May need a new blade. Yeah, I'd say that blade's still. Here, I'll let you grab that. You're not going to believe. You're not going to believe the weight of it. Yeah. What? It's a little heavy. Isn't that something? That's going to weigh more than the plywood. Yeah, jeez. Those are all. Just set them on there. Okay, we got to give this a tilt now. That's pretty close. I think we're close enough. Hey guys, that took us about 8 hours to get this far. Okay, we'll get back on it tomorrow. Okay, we got the arch cut out for our road. Okay, we'll fasten this on with a piece on the back all the way across. Okay, we have 3 of these to go in the middle. We got each end made. And we can make these just by using the outside of the arch that's left. Use that as your underside and make a new top, and it should just stack right up. So let's see if that theory works. Yep, that's going to work just fine. Yeah, there's always a speed your blade likes the best, and when you find it, then it just, like butter. And you take the clamp off, lift them up. Okay, number 4. We're done with that. Okay, we'll take the rest of this, we'll make another strip, it looks like. The rest of this can be for the cabinets and whatnot, and okay, we got this ledger board here so that we can put that arch glued in there. There, now it's looking more. Okay, now we need to get the front on. One thing you will have to do is grind off these screws. The screws stick through the plywood about 1/8 of an inch. All right, last one. Well, this is what we got done today. Okay, it's going to be sitting on this lower trailer. We're dropping it. I think right now that's 6.5 inches lower. Okay, that was day 2. First day was 8 hours. Today was 10. So let's keep track of that.